Welcome, and thank you for your interest in the EPS Cost Management Suite, the leading costing system for the pulp and paper industry. If you have any questions about the contents on this video, please feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. First, an introduction to our company. EPS is a software and consulting company located in Atlanta, Georgia, that specializes in cost management systems for complex and process manufacturing industries. We have customers in North America, Europe, and China. We have special cost management competence for the pulp and paper, semiconductor, steel, furniture, and bakery industries. Our customers include well-known pulp and paper companies like SCA, UPN Kumina, Boise, Mondi, and many more. In the pulp and paper industry, we also have a strong partnership with Tieto, the leading IT provider to this industry. The EPS Cost Management Suite is designed for the pulp and paper industry and is made up of 3 modules: EPS Real-Time Costing, EPS Product Cost Management, and EPS Transportation Cost Management. Customers can decide to implement 1, 2, or all of these modules based on their needs. Here follows an introduction to the 3 modules. The EPS Real-Time Costing module empowers machine operators and production managers to be the first line of defense against inefficient and costly production practices. This is done by providing production staff with information in real time how their decision impacts production costs. In this example, we can see the cost profile of a paper reel. To the left, we can see a blue column. This is the target cost of the reel at 100%. To the right, we can see another blue column. This is the actual cost of the reel at 96%. In other words, the paper reel was produced at 4% less than the target. This is good, but it does not explain what was done to achieve this. In this real-life example, the mill was experimenting with a new chemical to increase the paper machine speed. This red column shows that the chemical costs were increased. These other red columns show that the electricity and steam costs were much higher than the target. The higher costs for chemicals and energies were compensated by the reduced machine costs, due to the higher production speed thanks to the new chemical. This kind of insight into production costs can provide an extremely value-competitive advantage in running the machines, dosing of chemicals, product development, and machine scheduling. The EPS Product Cost Management module helps pulp and paper companies to increase the accuracy, timeliness, and detail in their grade costing process. The module has the following functionality that is especially developed for the pulp and paper industry: grade, recipe, and specification management that allows for an unlimited number of versions for standard, actual, and trial recipes. Pricing management where fiber, chemical, and energy pricing can be managed in an unlimited number of price list versions for current, future, and historic pricing. Standard costing, actual costing, cost simulations and what-if analysis, short-term cost forecasting based on block schedules from the manufacturing execution system, long-term cost forecasting based on sales forecasts or production plans. The EPS Transportation Cost Management module helps pulp and paper companies to identify opportunities for transportation cost savings and to increase transportation effectiveness. In this example, we can see a transportation cost analysis for a selected customer. To the left, we can see a blue column. This is the planned transportation cost for this customer, $102.59 per ton. To the right, we can see another blue column. This is the actual transportation cost for this customer, $102.99 per ton. It may seem like this was a very small difference, but in practice there are many cost-saving opportunities that may not be obvious, and which would not be detected without a system like the EPS Transportation Cost Management module. For example, the freight rate, the first leg shipments, the storage and handling fees, the use mode for transport are not optimal. In this example, there are actionable savings opportunities of $3.60 per ton, which would have reduced the actual transportation cost to $99.32 per ton. This was a short introduction to the 3 modules in the EPS Cost Management Suite. We hope that you have found this presentation interesting and useful. If you have any questions about the contents on this video, please feel free to contact us at your earliest convenience. Goodbye, and thank you for your interest in the EPS Cost Management Suite, the leading costing system for the pulp and paper industry.